guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline and we are back with another video. As you can tell, we're going to be doing a quick Shein haul with some Valentine's Day outfits that I think we could wear. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is what the dress is looking like. Like I said, I'm not wearing a bra, I'm wearing a sports bra, so it makes these look different. But this is what the dress is looking like. It's very nice and simple and, you know, chic. Not too much, and it reaches all the way down. It reaches all the way down to my, look at my ankles. Yeah. So this is what the dress is looking like. So the dress is really nice and simple. I think it's perfect for like if you're gonna be going out during the daytime. You could also dress it up with some cute heels or some sandals. Super cute, and I got it in a different color as well. I also got it in tan, so I'll probably show you guys the one in tan. What do you guys think about this dress? So we also have it in this nude color, and this is what it looks like as well. It's just as long as the other dress. It goes down to my knees, my ankles. I mean, it goes all the way down to my ankles. So this is what this one is looking like. I feel like it has the same detailing as well. So yeah, nice and flowy, and it has a good amount of stretch around the sides of it as well. So yeah, it flows nice and it's really nice. This is the other one as well. I like this so much. I got it in red, tan, nude, and pink. I think I like the pink one the most on me. I just love the way it pops against my skin. And again, it's the same length as well. So what do you all think? This is also, you could dress it up, or you could be casual with this pink dress for Valentine's Day. Or even if it's not Valentine's Day, on a regular day out, you know, with your girls, with your man, by yourself. You wear it to church. If you're church, you know, you can put a blazer or something. Very cute, very demure. And I love the detailing on the side, as you can see. I like the detail. And yeah, it's pretty long. It goes all the way down to the float. The next outfit we have is this red outfit here. Unfortunately, it's not really, what's that word, Karen? We don't look good.
Ugly?
No, it's a little bit short, but I love this bottom part here. I love that the details around the wrist of it, like it's kind of cut open. That's pretty cool, right? It gives it a little bit of flair, a little bit of pizzazz. And here, it has a little bit of ruching in the front. I feel like if I had good bra, it would look a little bit better, and you could probably, you know, bring it to the side like this so it can look good. This is what this one is looking like on your girl. So what do you think about this one here? Again, it's cute, but I feel like it doesn't look good on me per se, but it may look good on you. Again, everything will be linked down below if you are interested in this cute Valentine's Day dress. Next item we have on is this cute burgundy outfit. It was a struggle putting it on, but it's cute. It's a little body huggy. I got it in a 1X, but I think it's super cute. This could be perfect for Valentine's Day night. Like, this is cute. Look, ooh. But you know, all the curves and all the edges are showcasing. It does have the zipper all the way here, and here is like the faux leather in between that kind of gives that illusion that, you know, it's something hard here, but it's really not hard. It actually goes in between, so yeah, it's really not bad at all. It's cute. What do you guys think about this one? It is a cute burgundy dress. I really love this right here. I really like this right here. What do you guys think about this one here? It is stretchy, so it's like a cottony material, almost spandex type. Okay. It is snuggish, but it like hugs all your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. But this is really nice for, I would say, Valentine's Day, or even a regular date night out. What do you guys think? The next one I have is this this pink outfit, but because, you know, the girls are all spilled out, but it's really, really cute. It's giving bodycon. It's giving bodycon, but it's really like a nice soft pink. I'm not quite sure about this one right here. A little too tight for you, girl, and it's showing too much of this and all of this. Okay, no, we working on it, but yeah. I love the color though. I love how the color complements me. However, everything else, not right now. That's too much. But let's go on to the next outfit. This is a pink blouse with black hearts on there. I think this is perfect for if you are going to work on Valentine's Day, which is on a Friday. You could definitely rock this if you're going to be working in an office, if you're working, you know, a school teacher. I think this is so cute. Or even if you want to dress it down with some pants or even a nice skirt, you could definitely do that and work it with some sneakers. Or you could dress it up. It's really cute for office wear, and even if you're gonna go out, if you don't feel like wearing a dress, you want to wear some cute pants, this is something that you could definitely rock with it. So this is what it's looking like. I didn't tie this up, but you know, you could tie it up, make it look really nice and cute, like a nice bow. So this is what it's looking like. Just a simple blouse. The last and final item we have on is this beautiful pink ruche, hot pink ruche dress. It looks better on the model than it looks on me, but I had to give it a try. Again, I'm not wearing the proper undergarments. It has like a strap right here. It's like a thin strap right here. I don't think it's adjustable. And then it has the one that falls off the shoulders, the arm. So this is what it looks like. It has ruching all over, ruching all over. I think it's super cute. I would definitely like wear this, but I would definitely size up so I could be more comfortable. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but yeah, it's super cute. Definitely a hot look for date night, honey. Okay, yes. What do you guys think about this one right here? Comment down below and let me know. This is in a 1XL. It's not bad, but it is, you know, like it is bodycon. It's giving bodycon for sure, but it's cute. I like the material. I would size up so I could feel more comfortable in it, but this is cute. Isn't it? Okay. Well, this concludes the end of the Valentine's Day Shein haul. Comment down below which one was your fave that you think you could be rocking for Valentine's Day, or even if it's not, for a nice day out, solo date, friend date, you know, boo date, whatever date, or even you could rock some like when you're not going to work. But yeah, these are some of the outfits I picked up from Shein. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. And again, everything will be linked down below in the description box. But I don't know about them terrorists though. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.